I've been in love with you for years, and the years come to more than a few. But I'm yet to ever hear you say those three words, darling, I love you. My heart needs tender love and care. I need someone who will always be there. You see, the years have taken their toll, and my heart is getting broken and cold. Can anybody use a second-hand heart? I know it's not new, but it's tried and true, though it seems to be in poor repair. It only needs some tender love and care. And maybe in my dreams, this second-hand heart will finally hear your lips say, I love you. A happy end for my second-hand heart. Lovers have come and they all have gone, 'cause you're the love of my life. They say there's only one, but I need a love who'll be there for me. And I guess you're not supposed to be. Within my heart, that ray of hope is fading away and losing its glow. I need a little constant company to give me some security. Will you take a chance on a second-hand heart? There are no guarantees except together we'll be, never to be lonely again. When you take it, it will be till the end. I know you can afford a second-hand heart. It won't cost very much, but the pleasure is such pure delight.